That's not answer to my question.
No, I did not.
Simple. I will tell you. The prince is coming back home.
Prince Williams.
The king's son.
How did you know?
I overheard when the princess was discussing with him on phone.
His coming back will be a great one. Since they gave birth to him, he has not stepped his feet into this community.
I heard he's a handsome guy.
I don't understand. You heard he's a handsome guy. From who? Because the only person that knows him is Adaeze and the queen. Even our late king didn't know him.
Anyway, I heard it from no one. I assume he's a handsome man. Our princess is beautiful. And Lolo is also beautiful. So he must be a handsome guy.
Oh. What if he doesn't resemble any of his family members?
How possible could that be? He must resemble one of them.
Really?
So don't even go there.
Uju, you know you are a maid.
So?
And I'm a maid too. What makes you think that Prince William will ever have something to do with common maids like us?
Look at me very well. I am not just a maid. First class at that. Take a look round this village. All the girls, they are not prettier than I. So don't even go there.
First class maid. First class maid. Stop deceiving yourself. I have seen a first class maid. Can you imagine?
I'm not two, just one.
And I am not two either.
Whatever.
I am not two either. Do you want to see it? See, Oju. Cheesy is not two either. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? I am not two either.
Look at this one, no. You think you have it? No. Look at Ujumwa. Look. It's shaking more than you. It's shaking more than you.
Babes, let's not dream what you know is impossible. All of us, we know self that even if the prince returns and takes interest in any of us, our jobs automatically disqualifies us from marrying the prince. Because the queen and the princess that I know will not allow the prince to marry any of us. We are mates.
You think like a village girl that you are.
Don't insult me.
Insult. Village girl is not even suitable to describe you. You have a low thinking faculty. In fact, that is the same problem I have with you girls. Environmental influence.
Yeah, Clara, you are indirectly insulting all of us here.
Sorry, I'm sorry you understood it that way. But I'm just stating the obvious here. Just take a good look at us. Have you seen the girls in this community? Which of these girls are more beautiful than us?
Clara, you just misunderstood what Amaka here is telling us. Why are you like this?
Then what is she talking about? Make
See,
me to understand.
we are maids. And it is impossible for a prince to marry a common palace maid.
So what is she talking about? What am I mistaken here?
Oh, hey. You girls should just calm down. What's all this? Listen. The end shall justify the means.
I thought you even have something reasonable to say.
I don't just know.
Rubbish.
I don't know.
What's this? In case you don't know, the prince is mine.
Oh my God.
Says Cheesy.
Look at this one.
We just talking. See, I've said my own. Nobody should drag the prince with me.
You all are making it look
I
like
am the
that wants the
high
prince. I also want the
classmate
prince.
here. Okay? Nobody should drag the prince with me.
See, don't take it personal. Because we are all interested in this. I mean, who doesn't want to become the queen of this kingdom?
Madam, I'm not taking anything personal. All I'm saying is the prince belongs to me.
Hey,
What are you girls doing there? And you, Clara, follow me.
Clara! My princess! Clara! My princess! As you can see, I am traveling with my mom, so I need you to take care of the house. Am I understood?
Yes, my princess.
Very well then.
Sonny Nate, go and open gate. And then, this meeting, never.
Where are they traveling to?
You must be stupid for asking me that. Why didn't you ask them when they were leaving?
And I wasn't talking to you, busybody.
Waka. You are the one that is busybody. Look at this useless guy though. If you call me that again, I will deal with you.
Obi, what is it? Why are they insulting you? What is it?
Can you imagine? Oh? See, oh, I'm not your mate. Oh. Mind how you talk to me here.
God will punish you.
Punish you 100 times.
Punish you.
See,
wait.
if you insult me, I will beat you here and nothing will happen.
Obi, calm down.
It's okay. Clara, it's okay now. It's okay. And you think I will cry for you?
And I will beat you.
And you think I will cry for you? No, Chizzy is not okay. How can this useless guy call me busybody? Wait, are we mates? Is it because we are doing the same job?
He's just talking with his mouth. He can't touch you, which you know. He cannot.
So you don't know your mate again, Abi? You don't know your mate again because I'm laughing with you.
Stop your mouth.
What is it?
I know will beat you, nothing will happen.
Are you?
Look at this. Let's go.
My friend, get that. Susu, come on here. Find your level, I beg. Susu, come on here.
Look at you calling me busybody. Castrated animal. Idiot. Nonsense. You want to beat me? Come and beat me now. You want to beat me? I think the prince has returned.
Sorry, return to where? Does he have another house if not so?
Look at you. Hey, you don't even know today. Don't you know that all these overseas people, they like staying in Lagos before coming back to the village?
That means I'm going to repackage myself for his arrival. How do you say it?
Please stop him. See, let me tell you. If you like, package heaven and earth and wait for its arrival. What will be, will be.
Oh, shut that thing you call the mouth. What do you mean by that?
The prince is mine.
Oh, please shut up. Which prince is yours? Prince Ni, Prince Ko.
The prince of Umago Kingdom is mine. Jesus.
Hey. Butterfly thinks itself a bird.
Dreamers, see this dance we are about to dance. We'll see who emerged the best dancer.
Shut up! Amaka, look at me very well. Just take a good look at me. Do I look like a low classmate? I mean, do I look like someone in your class? We are not even incomparable. And as for the dance, let's dance the dance and see who wins.
Hey, dear
Rubbish.
Lord. See who is talking.
We all are mates, so we are all mates. Please.
I am not like you.
Then what are
I am
you?
a first class maid.
Hey,
First class
have
Guinea.
you taken a good look at me? What is this?
First class maid.
You are a maid. If you are not a maid, then what are you doing here?
Uju, baby.
You called me.
Yes, that was long time ago. What were you doing?
The important thing now is that I'm here.
Okay, fine. I want to ask you something very important. As the chief guard of this palace, I know you have 45% knowledge of what happens in this palace.
Where are you driving at?
You drove Lolo and the princess out of this palace, right? So I was wondering, do you know where they have gone to?
Clara, the truth remains that I only dropped them off at the airport and returned back to the palace. But wait, is there any problem?
Are you the one asking this? I think the prince is back. Yes, I think they went to Lagos to see him.
It's back, and they went to Lagos to see him. Why would they go to Lagos to see the prince without coming back home?
See, Uche, you and I know that the prince left this community after birth. He doesn't know anywhere. So I think they went to Lagos to bring him back to this community.
I think you have a point there. Even at that, what's my business?
Uche, please stop. Okay? Just stop it. You know, after the last Ofala of our king, the prince is mandated to pick a wife before assuming the throne. Right?
I'm aware of that.
Good. You know you're my friend now. Look, you know you're my very good friend. We'll be partying now. Chief guard, chief maid. See, I want you to campaign for me. Why are you laughing now? What's funny now?
I'm sorry. Clara. You want me to campaign for you? What are you campaigning for? Are you interested in the throne or what?
Would you please just stop? Stop laughing. Look, when I become the Lolo of this kingdom, I'm going to make you rich, famous, and powerful. In fact, I will make you the youngest cabinet.
I guess I am done with this conversation.
Uche! Uche, don't be rude! Uche!
My brother, I want to ask you something. I don't know, I don't understand all these girls. Especially Clara. She's always fronting her backside. Like, does she think that fronting her backside will make the prince fall in love or marry her?
My brother, who knows? Who knows if the prince likes backside?
Oh, Jesus.
She's not fronting her backside because of the prince is coming back. She has been doing that even before now.
You see, Obi, most times, I see us like not man enough. Yes.
And why do you say so?
Okay. You see that girl called Clara? Her own is too much. Her demo is too much. Always carrying her backside up and down. Hey. And why are you laughing now?
See, my brother, that's why it's called one thing must kill a man.
Indeed, one thing must surely kill a man.
Without go to the way
We don't the gist now.
yes,
You
sir.
don't know your mate again. Go. Before the queen mother thinks I'm corrupting you. Yes, my queen.
How did you know about that?
Madam, can you calm down? Ah, you to the rush.
Oga, speak. How did you know about that?
I overheard the queen and the princess talking about the prince coming back while I was driving them home. She also said that they've gotten a new guard for the prince. It's a good one.
Really? But did you hear anything about the date?
Clara, take it easy now.
Hey, don't Clara me. I wasn't talking to you.
Let me even ask you one question. What if the prince comes back and detests the kind of person you are? What will happen?
May the gods punish that thing you called mouth for speaking rubbish. Idiot.
Clara, minus respect, you should have fear. I will slap you.
See, you know.
Listen, Clara. Listen to me. Listen very good. I will take anything from you, but certainly not insult. Don't ever do it again. Don't!
You insulted yourself first. Yes. So whatever you get from me, you deserve it.
Point of correction, Clara. I did not insult you. I only asked a simple question. So do not in your miserable life insult me again.
Then don't ask a stupid question again.
Very stupid girl.
You are a stupid boy. You're a very, very stupid boy. Madman.
Hey.
I'm done with this conversation. What's all this? Rubbish.
Look at this one.
Hey!
See her wait.
What's happening?
I don't know. Clara and what's it called? Every time, correct. I don't know what is happening between both of them. I think they're up to something and they don't want to tell us.
As if it's a new thing.
Can you imagine the rubbish?
Can you all go back to your duty post?
Woman, I just came now.
Go back to the post.
You, what are you doing there?
Including
Go back
you.
to your duty post. Is
Yes,
that your
sorry.
own duty post?
I'm exceptional.
Hey, Muju, let's go back to our duty post.
Don't worry. I know how to do it. Come on, go back to your duty post. Hey! Come back and pack these chairs.
Get up now. You say I should pack the chair. Stand up. Let me carry it.
Are you commanding me? Well, what is? Huh? Sorry. carrying big bomb up and down. Wasted energy.
Okay, the interview will commence now. I need you all to compose and abide with the rules. You shall be disqualified if found going contrary with any of the rules. Am I understood? Okay then. Ushe, take them in one after the other. That'll be all for now.
You guys should get back to your duty post now. Get back to your duty post. Over to the gate. Young man. Go. Go inside. No, come back. You, go first. Stand there. Go in. Go back. Go back there. Come. Go back. Go. Go back! And move back there. That's it. I have to test your energy. You're not here to sleep. Go inside. You're Jebe no odowi isi ka mmụọ akwụsha n'isi. And what's your name? Okoro. Get it? Okoro. Here is Okoro. He's the new palace guard assigned to the prince. But for now, he will be working with us till the prince is back.
You're welcome.
Thank you all very much. Thank you very much.
You don't need to smile much, young man. You see, we have rules in this palace. Number 1, no sleeping on duty. Secondly, no hate speech is accepted in this palace. You don't disrespect any of your senior colleagues here, including me. You see that gate over there? That is your duty post. You must not leave that gate without my notice. Else, you will be punished. Understood?
Yes.
Give him the knife and take him inside. All right.
Stand for me.
Take their shoes off.
Excuse me.
What did I tell you about indecent dressing in this place? And I mean, what's this? Take it off! Take it off and put it on top of it. Now. Hi, Jesus. Hi. Okoro, what is the meaning of this? That's sure. Did I not warn you about indecent dressing in this palace?
That's the only shoe I have.
That's the only shoe you have.
You want me not to wear the white one anymore, and that's the only one I have left.
Get out.
What's going on here?
Greetings, my princess. He seized my shoe.
He seized your shoe? Why will you seize his shoe?
My princess, we don't accept this in this palace. This is indecent dressing. Please.
Do you have another shoe?
Yes, my princess. He seized the first one I was wearing.
Give him back his shoes. You're not in position to tell him what to wear and what not to wear. Give him back his shoes. Give him back his shoe.
But princess, I am doing
There
my
is
job.
no but. Give him back his shoe.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
How are you? Are you a new guard?
Yes, Iche. I'm a new guard.
Okay.
Hello. You are here already.
Yes,
I greet you. You're welcome.
How are you doing today, my queen?
Oh no, I'm okay, but I'm not happy.
Not happy?
Yes.
The queen of Umuagu village is not happy. What could be the problem, my queen?
They changed the date.
They changed the date to a new date?
Yes.
Are you sure they will not change it again?
No, I don't think so. Because they knew he is around because of the father's funeral. So I'm not sure they're going to change it again.
Because you know, without him, there cannot be any funeral.
Sure, I know that.
Well, I'm here because of the funeral. It is 3 months. It looks far, but very near. So how are you preparing?
Oh no, like you know, the preparations are on.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to hear that. I hope you're fine.
I am fine since I've seen you. You're welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I sit with you?
Okoro, this is a palace where you and I work, not a restaurant. So please stop asking me if you sit or not.
It's okay. Well, thank you.
What do you want?
You see, Clara, you're beautiful.
Is that what you want?
Well, yes. I mean, no. I want us to be friends.
Okoro, right?
Yes.
Good. As you can see, we are all friends here. We do everything in common.
Yes, I know all that, okay? But I want us to be close friends. Very close friends.
Look, I don't know where you are driving at, but you see this thing you're talking about now. I'm not interested. You can look for someone else.
Listen, I am serious with what I am saying, okay? I am very serious. I want us to be close friends. Very close friends.
Look, Okoro, I don't want to get mad at you. I don't want to. So please respect yourself. I've told you before that I don't want any relationship with you. So why are you bothering me?
Calm down, okay? Relax. It's fine, I've heard you. But I
No more words from you. Please.
Okoro want to
But I am
honey
just
marry
trying to-
baby, make am in wife oh, but e no easy oh. E no easy oh. A woman wey go love me for who I am, a woman wey go love me for not what I am, baby oh, yeah.
I'm sorry for calling you out here, my brothers, but there's something I want to discuss with you, and it's really bothering me. It's about Clara. I truly love this girl. In fact, she has taken every part of me. And I can't get over her. I am confused.
Guy, are you here to chase women? Eh? Are you here to chase women?
Like, I don't even understand you, Kolo.
It's barely 1 week he came to this palace, and you already lost over a woman.
No, listen, I am not lusting over her, okay? I truly love this girl. And I want to make her my wife.
Hey, Chineke.
Yeah, Paul Mokocha. Paul Mokocha. What's that your name again?
Okoro.
Okoro. Wake up from that dream. Huh? Okoro, wake up from that dream. It will not favor you. Yes.
You better wake up. Yourself a dreamer. You love Clara, you love Clara. Okay, let me even ask you. Have you thought of your background? Like, imagine yourself going to Clara. It's different now. Your category. As classic as that girl, you are going to her.
Not only Clara, but all the maids. Listen, just take a piece of my advice. Don't bother yourself going there because you will take the insult of your life. Don't even start. Don't go.
Guy, you see, women are unpredictable, just like they said. You will never know a woman. You cannot predict them. It's 50-50. It might work, it might not work, but whatever that comes out, be ready to chest it.
Uche, stop deceiving him. Stop deceiving him. Let me tell you, Okolo. You better use your time and do something good. Don't say I do not want you.
Well, it's okay, my brothers. I've heard you all, okay? Thank you for your advices. But one thing I still want to make clear here is that I must marry Clara. And you, my brothers, will surely attend my wedding.
It's funny. See to that. Guys, so go back to
Okoro want to honey
Hey!
marry baby, make am in wife oh, but e no easy oh.
And why are you putting on slippers?
Woman wey go love me.
Let me see that
I
slippers.
am. A woman wey go love me for not what I am, baby oh.
Can you imagine? That idiot wants to block my destiny.
Your destiny?
Yes, of course. My destiny. The prince is my destiny. And that idiot wants to block it.
Sorry, excuse. If the prince is your destiny, then what is he to me?
Your in-law.
Girls, I don't know what any of you are talking about, but I want to tell you something. I can't wait for the prince, my husband, to come and take me. I can't wait.
I don't understand you. I mean, I don't get you. I thought you were in love with Obi.
And so, did I ask for your opinion?
Madam, stay out of this. You are taken already. In fact, you're engaged.
It's you that took me.
You see this word? Wait. Why are we fighting over someone who does not even know that we exist? Why? We should just stop it.
Auntie, the prince knows that I exist. And I know he must have seen my picture in Adesi's phone. Get that?
Look, Clara, let me advise you as a very good sister and a friend. If you know what is good for you, go back to Okoro, apologize to him and accept his proposal. Because, you see me, cheesy, I can never drag my prince with any other person.
Cheesy, God will punish you.
Punish you
Thunder
too.
will fire this your
Fire
mouth.
you 10 times over.
What is your problem? You've started again, no? You started again, Cheesy.
You guys should just stop, please. Just stop it. What's all this?
Clara, Cheesy is actually very right though.
Tell her.
Okoro loves you. Why are you fighting over someone that you have not seen while you have somebody that is willing to do anything for you? Okoro loves you and I think you both are a perfect match.
That's just the simple truth. Okoro is good. And it's good for you, for goodness sake. Remove your eyes from the prince. What's your problem?
Are you not a woman? No, are you not a woman? Why not go to Okoro? Tell him that you love him. And trust me, he will love you back.
He did not come for me, sorry.
Oh, you know. Look, there's a saying that says, if Mohammed did not go to the mountain will go to Mohammed. Madam, go to Okoro. Trust me, he will love you back.
And if she does that, as you said, where is her dignity as a woman?
Dignity, you said. Cheesy, let me ask you one question. If the prince happens to come back and you have the opportunity to approach him, won't you do that?
And why won't she?
Are you seriously asking me that question?
Wait. Let me tell you guys. I cannot condescend so low by going out for a man. The highest thing I can do is to give you green light. And if you do not return, Uju will just move and go. So please, I'm not like you that thrown herself for a man that does not even love or care or look after.
And how
So
is that your
please.
business?
It's my business.
How
because
is that your business? I want who I want. If you so much love Okoro and care for him, go for him.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
But
Rubbish. Let me bother about that.
But Clara, you know that Okoro loves you. You guys make a perfect match. I don't know why we are beating around the bush over an issue that has long been decided.
Look, why are you forcing her to go for someone she doesn't like?
And look at you. And you think Okoro would ever look at you?
And how is that your concern? How does it concern you if he will or not?
But wait, Amaka. I thought you have someone you claim you love so much. So why are you preparing and waiting for the prince?
Help me ask her.
Why?
Ask her.
Why?
I don't understand.
Answer.
Okoro, let me tell you something. That Clara girl is not your type. She's not for you. Are you not seeing Cheesy? She loves you. Not go for her. Or haven't you noticed it yet?
Noticed what, Obi? Huh? Noticed what? Listen, I haven't noticed nothing. Even if I have, Clara is the girl I want and not Cheesy. I don't know, the problem is she refusing to accept me. I don't know what is going on.
Oga, see, can you stop farming where you will not harvest? I said, don't you get it?
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, my brothers. I will continue to farm. And trust me, someday very soon, I will harvest my crops.
Okoro, do you know why one thing I detest about you? Overconfidence is one thing that is wrong with you. We that know who Clara is are telling you, and you're here telling us to trust you that one day you will harvest your crops on whose farm? On whose farm?
Iwako, can you take it easy on him? What doesn't work for Solomon might work for Emeka.
Exactly.
So allow the young guy.
I mean, that's the kind of encouragement I need, not they.
Anyway, I wish you good luck, bro.
Thank you. That's what I want to hear.
You can feel
I wish you good luck.
Can I feel your honor?
What is going on here? What are you guys discussing?
I'm a boy. I'm a boy. What we are discussing here does not concern you. Ah!
No. Okoro, please have this.
Wow, thanks.
You're welcome.
This Adam take betray God. Anyway, we have. Even you get. Congrats. Chop the apple, my fine boy. They look us foolish, they look us apple. But anyway, this is it's a gift. It's a gift. Why not off? Where's Okoro?
I don't know where he is.
You don't know where he is. Okay. Let me know once he's back. All right. Where are you coming from?
I went out to look around.
You went out to look around. Who permitted you? Why are you not talking to me? Who permitted you? Okoro. Who permitted you? Are you mad? Who permitted you? Kneel down there. Kneel down! This is the very last time you will leave this palace without my notice. Make sure you don't stand up from there.
Why are you kneeling down under the sun? What did you do?
Nothing. Just because I went out.
You went out to do what?
I went out to look around.
And you did not tell Uche before going out?
Why must I tell him before I go out? Is that why he slapped me?
Okoro, you were told right from the first day you came into this palace.
Oh, please don't even start, okay? I mean, no one told me that.
You were told right from the first day you came into this palace that no one steps out of the palace without permission.
Well, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. But that shouldn't give him the right to slap me like that.
You're supposed to say that to Uche, not me. Sorry.
asked you to kneel down?
I did, my princess.
You asked him to kneel down? I am talking to you! Speak!
Get inside. Get inside now! What's going on here?
My queen, he left the palace without my notice.
And where did you go to?
I'm sorry, my queen. I only went out to look around.
Are you not aware that leaving this palace without permission is an offense?
I'm sorry, my queen. I'm aware, but I forgot to tell him.
Really? Okay.
I hate you.
Clara, please. Huh? Listen, I am not coming to you for friendship. I want to marry you. I love you so much. Just say yes to my proposal and I'll go straight to see your parents.
Peter, is it the reason you called me out here? You must be mad.
Clara, please.
Don't you ever lay your finty hairs on me. Idiot. Look at this one.
Okoro want to honey marry baby, make am in wife oh, but it no easy oh. It no easy woman we go love me.
Clara! Where is that lunatic of a girl? Are you mentally deranged? Have you lost it? Why did you slap him?
My princess.
Why did you slap him?
Can you imagine that boy?
No, just calm down. I'm going to handle this, okay?
No, mother. She has to tell me why she slapped him.
Adeze! Get inside now! Now!
What's going on? My queen, is this useless boy? Ever since he came to this palace, he has been making advances on me. I told him I don't want. I told him I'm not interested. He kept following me around. And today, he called me at the backyard and told me the same thing again. I wanted to walk out on him. He held me back. I didn't know when I slapped him, my queen.
Is that what happened?
Yes, my queen. But the truth of the matter is that I wasn't making advances on her for friendship. I told her I want to marry her. Yes.
And I told you I don't want. Is marriage by force?
Did you hear her? Marriage is not by force, Okoro. It is not. I hope it will not happen again.
Yes, my queen.
Go to your duty post.
Thank you, my queen.
Get up.
Sorry.
True love is hard to find you, hard to find you. But when you see a Okoro want to honey marry baby, make am in wife oh, but it no easy oh. It no easy oh.
Who be that?
Okoro, where are you coming from? I went out. You went out. Who permitted you to leave this palace?
I only went out to look around and that's it.
You went out to look around and that's it. I repeat again. Who permitted you to leave this palace? Have I not warned you not to leave your duty post?
But I only went out to look around and that's it.
That's it. Lie down. What? I don't need to repeat myself. Lie down there! Now! Go and get me the key. No, come. Don't worry. Help me with this. Okoro, who gave you the permission to leave this palace?
Uche, please forgive him. Uche, please!
Allow him to flog him.
Oh, shut up!
And next time, he will not repeat this again. This boy know they hear word. What's your problem? Where did he go to?
Okoro.
Uche, please forgive him.
How many times? You Okoro, what did I tell you?
Allow him to flog him so that next time he won't repeat it again.
What
Let him flog him.
I tell you?
This boy know they hear word.
You said Jesus. Shut up!
Flog him very well.
Uche, please don't mess with him.
Instruction you will not take. Flog him very well.
Forgive me, please.
Forgive who?
Forgive me. I should do what? Yeah? I should do what? I should do what? Are you mad? Okoro, who gave you the permission to leave this palace? Don't make me...
Uche, please forgive him and flog him. Stand up!
Please have mercy, Uche, please. Uche, please have mercy.
Not the rest of me, I leave him. Please,
Will you get your hands off my wife? Stand up from there.
I will not stand up. Leave him alone.
You said?
Leave him alone. He's human being like us.
You won't stand up. You
Uche,
won't stand up.
Uche,
And you, that serves you right. Next time, you will not leave this palace again without telling anybody. Stupid.
Clara, why are you inhuman?
What is your problem
You're inhuman and
What
you're
is your
wicked.
problem?
Clara, why are you like this? What kind of human being are
It
you?
did not even flog
One
you
more
well,
word
oh. It
from
did not
you.
even flog. Next time.
One more word from you, you won't like it.
And what will you do?
You won't like what I
What
will
will
do to
you do, chief slut?
Oh, you are
What
asking
will
me.
you do?
You are asking me what I will do. Clara, you are asking me what I
What will
will
you
do.
do?
You
What
are
will you
asking me.
do? What will you do?
You don't know what I can do to
What
you
will
right
you
me.
do? Clara, you're
Please,
inhuman.
get out.
Don't worry.
Clara.
Yourself.
My friend, get out.
Clara, you're
feeling like that.
Look at this one. Being inhuman is not a good character. Ha!
Okoro, how are you?
Fine. Okay.
I brought out food for you.
What? Why would you do that? But you heard Iwe say there will be no food for me today. Listen, I just don't want it, okay? I don't want to put you into more troubles, please.
I did not bring it here. It's at the backyard, close to the kitchen door. When you get there, you will see food and water.
But what if he comes out and didn't meet me here? That would be another trouble.
Don't worry, just go. If he comes out, I'll tell him you went to the toilet and I'm here holding your duty posts for you.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Please hurry up. Please.
Thank you.
Okoro went inside to get something, so I was just standing here holding the duty post for him.
I don't understand. When did that one start?
You don't understand what? You don't understand what? What is your problem? Well, Whatever the case may be, there is always a first time for everything.
Hey, Chizzy, I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
You're watching me on what? You're watching me on what? What is your problem? Because I don't have your time. I don't just have your time.
Chizzy, you will not have my time. You will not have my time now. But don't forget, aka na-eje n'ike. Ma ọ rụtara ahụ, ọ ga-arụta nsị.
Whatever. Excuse me.
What are you doing? Huh?
Hey!
Heads up! Drop, come on, would you drop that food? Are you mad? Drop it! Bring that meat out of your mouth. You know they talk again. Come on, bring that meat out of your mouth. Oh, you started eating beef. You came to this palace to eat. Carry that food and follow me. I say carry the food and follow me. That's the instruction. Not be your mate, they fast for church. You came to this palace to eat.
I'm sorry, I'm hungry.
You see, I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry. Now food will kill you. Come on, follow me. You came to this palace to eat. And you still have food in your mouth.
Okoro, who gave you the food?
Who gave you the food?
Don't make me.
Who gave you the food?
Who gave you the food?
I gave him the food.
You did what? Chizzy!
Hey. Uche, please, I'm sorry. I couldn't watch him starve, so I had to bring out food for him.
You couldn't watch him starve. So you have to give him the food. Without my permission. Come here. Come close to me. Kneel down there. Both of you.
Now! Kneel down. Are you mad? Are you mad? Come on, kneel down! Hands up. Hands up. Don't make me lose my mind.
What are you still doing here? Idiots!
Over to you. Who permitted you to give him the food?
I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Jesus.
Did you say you are sorry?
Chizzy, I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
For the punishment you went through because of me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I did it because of love.
Oh God, there she goes again. I mean, Chizzy, what's all this? Huh?
I'm sorry.
Listen, if I had known you're doing this because of love, I wouldn't have listened to you.
But I said I'm sorry.
It's okay. So tell me, why are you not after the prince just like the other maidens?
I can't. I can't be wasting my time preparing, fighting, waiting for someone I don't know how he looks like. Or is it because he's a prince? What if he comes back with a white woman? What if he comes back and turns his back on us? Someone you don't know how he behaves. Though I know I'm misbehaving because of love.
So why? I mean, you don't even know my character either. You know nothing about me.
Right from the first day I set my eyes on you was the day I knew who you are. You are a good man. You have a good heart. I know you will take good care of a woman. I didn't fall in love with you because others said you are handsome. I fell in love with you because I saw something in you.
Oh, come on, Cheesy, stop lying. Mere looking at you, it's written all over you. Disappointment is all over you. Why do you think when we start dating, you won't leave me and run after the prince when he returns, just like the other girls will do?
No, I won't. If I didn't love you, I wouldn't have come to you. Though I know men doesn't accept love when it comes to them in a platter of gold.
True love is hard to find, you. Hard to find, you. But when you see
Listen, Cheesy.
Okoro want to honey, marry, baby. Make her me wife, oh. But it no easy,
I am sorry. But my heart belongs to someone else. Please. Who is it?
Somebody. Hi.
Good day.
Good day.
Who are you?
You are new here? Oh, anyway, my name is Ijoma, Onowu's daughter.
Okay, and who do you want to see?
Lolo, my father sent me on an errand.
You have to wait here. Let me inform her first.
Wait here.
I should wait here. Who is this guard? I guess he's new. Me, Onowu's daughter, wait outside. Swechi, if you see this guy, oh my God. This guy is so cute. I don't even know why he's a palace guard.
Though he got me angry because he kept me outside, but that's that about it. I'm not angry anymore.
But this guy is very sweet. So wait, what's not the essence of this talk? What's the essence of what you're saying now?
What I'm saying is that if I have my way, I will approach this guy. This guy is every woman's dream. Makachi.
As far as I'm concerned, I can't trade Prince to anyone. I'm courageously waiting for him.
Even you?
Of course. Is the gods for me? Hey, wait, how many of us are waiting for the prince? How many?
Are you asking? All the girls in Umagu's village, even the palace maid.
Tell me, so who is he going to choose?
The lucky one, of course. And I will be the lucky one.
Okay. Hey, Joseph. Joseph the dreamer. Auntie, I'm not saying you should not dream. Oh. You know, it's not a bad thing to dream. Even me, I dreamt last night. But be calming down. Zukwanike.
Which kind of talk be this one?
What will not make the prince to choose you?
I don't get. What are you saying? Is it that I'm not beautiful? What are you saying? Which one be what will make Prince to choose me?
I'm not saying you're not beautiful.
So what are you saying?
You are beautiful, but you see, when you talk of that beauty aspect, you should be talking of us.
What? I don't get. Is it that I'm not beautiful? What are you guys saying?
Why did you say this? I did not see that. My sister, you are beautiful. I
So-
did not say I'm not beautiful, but there's always a but.
But what?
Mary, don't take this matter to another dimension. She did not mean that.
Are you
please.
serious? You were siding her. Stop it. Don't even go there. Don't even give me that look. What are you saying? Did you hear what she said?
My sister, you are beautiful,
Abeg,
but not.
excuse me. Carry the beautiful. But let me tell you guys, as far as I'm concerned, I'm here. Let me say, Gidigbam in this village waiting for Prince. And I believe that two of you guys will not take it from me.
Mary.
Auntie
With the
Mary.
nyash like you stick where my papa used this morning. Sorry, now.
Mary.
Uchi, come now. Come. Eh? What is happening? Why is the prince not yet back? And the king's funeral is fast approaching. When is he coming back?
And what kind of question is that? Do I look like the princess or the queen?
Come on, Uche. I know you very well. I know you. Why are you always acting like this? Look, you are the chief guard in this palace. I know you know everything that happens in this palace. So tell me, when is the prince coming back?
Even if I am the chief guard, does it give me the right to know everything? You can go inside that house, ask the Lolo or the princess. You're say maiden, ain't you?
I know, but I know you know. You just have to calm down now. Tell me the truth, eh? Is it because I've been turning you down? Why are you acting like this towards me?
Oh, so you know. No, now what you're saying now, you actually know what you're doing. So why all these initial gra? What's Apollo Mogo can buy na Jericho gi? And I call him Akoko. Eh?
Still, I will think about it, eh? But just tell me, when is the prince coming back?
You think about it.
Yes.
You see, you women. The truth is that, let me tell you, I don't know. I don't know, but wherever it is, I will find that and I will give you a feedback. Okay?
Are you sure?
I am sure about it.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll think about it.
Okoro, what are you doing here?
Nothing.
Oh, don't tell me nothing. Because there's something bothering you.
Ujuma, I have told you I am fine, okay?
Is it because of Clara?
Yes. I just don't know what's wrong with me anymore. I love Clara so much. The more I try to let her go off my mind, the more I see myself falling deeply in love with her. I just don't know what else to do.
Okoro. Clara, I know, would never listen to you. If you ask me, I would advise you to stay away from her. Why not go for Chizzy? Chizzy loves you so much. And from the look of things, you both will make a perfect home.
Can I ask you something?
Okay.
Can you live with a man you're not in love with?
No.
So what are you advising? Huh? Listen, Clara is the one I love, not Chizzy. I am not saying Chizzy is a bad person. She's a nice girl. But Clara is the one I love. Uju, I want you to help me with something, okay?
All right.
I am ready to pay you half of my salary if you can help me talk to her. I know she will listen to you.
Okoro, how possible could that be? Listen, Clara have made up her mind where the prince of this kingdom is, and there's nothing you can do about it.
I mean, what's so special about this phrase? Huh? I mean, how can she be so crazy and desperate over him like that?
You know women and their nature. They will not think twice.
And you? Are you also crazy and desperate over him too?
I am interested. But I'm not crazy and desperate about the prince. Fine, if he comes back and chooses me, I'm okay with it. It's not a do or die affair.
God, I love Clara so much. I love her so, so much.
Some of the guards have made advances on her, but she turned them down before you came. She sees herself so high class. I don't just know what to say about this situation. I have no idea.
Do you just say some of the gods?
Yes. The chief guard Uche have tried and tried to make advances on her. But she turned him down, though they were getting along before you came. But it didn't work out. Yes. What about me?
Okoro want to honey marry baby, make am in wife oh, but e no easy oh. E no easy oh. Woman wey go love me for who I am.
Why are you stressing me? Like, I don't get it. Why are you acting up? Okay, why don't you want to accept my proposal? Is it a crime to love you? I don't get it. Okay, listen, because at this point I'm losing it. I am not stopping you from marrying the prince. Yes. The both of us can be friends. When Prince comes back, you guys can continue from where we stopped. Please.
Uche, calm down for me now, eh? Just calm down for me, please.
Calm down for what? Clara, calm down for what? See, Clara, all I want is you. I love you. I don't know how else you want me to say this. Like, I want you all over me. You are that part of me that I can't let go. Don't you understand? Clara, kiss me.
Uche.
Just make me happy. You stop and kiss me.
See, if I kiss you today, I will not kiss you again. No.
Just do it first. So, as I was telling you, You have to be careful.
Yes, yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Tell them to clean up everywhere. Hmm?
Yes.
Go.
Yes, I'll tell that.
And make sure you do that, okay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And what are you doing here?
Well, I came to take permission from you. I want to go out.
You want to go out? To where?
Does it really matter? You asked me to take permission from you before going out, and that is what I am doing.
Really? Is that why you rudely interrupted me? Huh?
Well, I'm sorry I walked into you, Ruth. And I'm sorry I walked into you trying to kiss her.
Hmm?
Excuse me.
Trying to kiss who? Eh? Did you just walk out on me? I said this boy is a witch. This boy is a witch. Who brought this boy to this palace? Eh? See, kids that have been begging since almost 2 years now. Today that they want to give me the kiss, this boy came back from nowhere. He met this boy. Hey! Which kind of... Who carried this boy come this palace? Eh? Now when my body don't stand up, finish. Clara? Come on,
Forget about this body you are seeing like this. I deserve respect from you. Anytime you are talking to me, if you talk to me in that manner again, you will see what I will do to you. Are you mad?
What will you do, madam? What do you think you can do to me? Okay, let me tell you. Because you are seeing me like this, you think you are older than me. What makes you think that you are older than me? That same respect you are claiming I should give you, I deserve that same respect. If you cannot respect yourself, you are nothing on my side.
I'm not here to battle words with you.
You can't even
But
battle words with me.
Calm down! I'm talking.
Hey.
If you dare talk to me in that manner again, if you repeat it again, you see what I will do to you.
My dear, shut up your mouth. Your mouth is smelling. Close it. You can't do more than a dead rat. Close your mouth.
Is it me that you're talking to? Is it me that you're talking to that manner? What will you do? I told you not to talk to me. Is it because I have to know what?
Hey, what is going on? Will you stop that? What is wrong with you? What is going on here?
Ask her. Ask this Otondo.
No, you have to ask her.
Don't mind them, God of Umagu Kingdom. They are fighting because of the prince.
Fighting over the prince?
Yes.
What happened to the prince?
They are arguing on who the prince is going to get married to.
Can you imagine? How can two matured girls be fighting on the road just because of someone you don't even know? Eh? Do you even know what he looks like? Let me ask you, what if the prince comes back now with a white woman? What will you do?
Oh, they will rest.
Why are you acting as if you're not interested in the prince?
See, I'm not going to lie. Who doesn't want to be the queen of this kingdom? But the prince is not worth fighting for. Just like you said, what if he returns home with a white woman? Then what do we do? So, I need someone that is like...
Listen, girls, I demand both of you should go back home. The prince is not worth fighting for. Huh? What if you injure yourself before he comes back? He won't even look at you with bruises all over you. You, where are you going to?
I'm going home.
Move.
Okwage.
And you, start going home.
Okwage.
Move!
Okay.
Move! And you, what are you still waiting for? Now I know the person confusing Clara from accepting my proposal.
And who is that?
Uche, the chief guard.
Well, he is not confusing her. Yes, because he has been making advances on her even before you came in. But she turned him down.
From what I just saw, I believe both are dating. Yes.
You are a liar.
My brother, I am not trying to convince you to believe me, but from what I saw a few minutes ago, I believe both are dating.
And how did you know?
I walked into them a few minutes ago. They were even kissing at the backyard.
Eh? I don't believe you. Huh?
I am not trying to convince you to believe me, but I just told you what I just saw with my own eyes.
When did this start?
My brother, that I can't tell. But all I know is that I saw them.
Fine. Don't worry yourself. I will find out myself.
Don't call my name.
I don't know you.
Help me, I am hungry. I don't have money to buy food. That's why I'm walking along the road.
You are hungry.
Yes.
Didn't you eat in the palace?
Yes. I had a fight with somebody in the palace, and my punishment is that I will not eat for 2 days.
You fought in the palace? Yes. Aren't you afraid to fight in the palace?
No. It wasn't really a big fight. We had an argument, and they punished me instead of 2 of us.
If I were the Lord, I would have sacked you instead of punishing you with food. See, I'm going somewhere now. I will see her later and appeal to her to give you food.
But Ichie, you can still help me with something to get food. I am very, very hungry. I have not eaten since morning.
What did you just call me? Me and Majo are stagger your mouth for calling me Ichie Judo for. Idiot! Nonsense.
Ichie, instead of you to say you don't have money to give me or you're just being stingy. Is your name not Ichie Jidofo?
I don't give them pure water. That way, go make sure you collect money. Oh. I don't say credit these days.
Good day, sir.
God.
Sir, I am sorry to bother you, but please, I am hungry. I need food to eat.
You are hungry, you need food to eat.
Yes, sir.
God of Umago Kingdom. What happened?
The problem is that I had a fight with someone in the palace. And my punishment is that I will not eat in the palace for 2 days. So I am so hungry. I needed to eat. That's why I came out of the palace to look for food.
You fought in the palace. And they said you will not eat for 2 days. Anyway, come in here. Let me understand what you're saying. Come on, get out from the sun. Come. You said you fought in the palace. And they said you will not eat for 2 days.
Yes, sir.
And somebody, or probably your spirit, directed you to come to my shop.
That's not true, sir. Actually, I met two people on the road before now, and I asked them for food, but they refused to help. So I was just walking by when I saw you sitting. But I'm sorry if you don't like it, I can leave.
Not that I don't like it, but the problem is that I've not sold anything today. So why would a palace guard of Umagu fight? Don't you know it is a taboo in this community to fight in the palace?
It wasn't my fault. I don't know. The chief guard of the palace hates me so much.
The chief guard of the palace hates you. How long have you been in that palace? Because as a matter of fact, I know you have not stayed long.
Just a month.
Just a month. And you have started fighting. Now you're telling me that you're hungry.
Sorry, sir. If you don't like it, I can start going.
Not that I don't like it, but the problem is that I've not sold anything today.
Oh. It's okay. Thank you very much. Let me start going.
Don't worry. Aaron, bring bread and cook for me there.
Oh, thank you, sir. God bless you. Please, include sardine, please.
Include sardine. Beggar with choice. Sardine.
Sorry. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
If you like, if you eat it finish, go back to the palace and fight again.
I promise I will not fight again.
I will even come to talk to Lolo. Let me know why Lolo should allow the palace guards to fight.
Sir, if that is the problem, let me return the bread and food.
No.
There's no need coming to tell the Lolo. Please, they will give me more punishment. Please.
Promise you won't fight again.
I promise.
Cross your heart.
No.
I hate you. Calm down. What's the problem?
I don't like what I saw outside the palace today.
What did you see?
In the history of Umagu, even after our king traveled, no guards have ever exchanged words with another, let alone fighting.
No, did you see any of the guards fighting?
What kind of question is that? Did I see or did I hear that they fought in the palace?
Oh no, calm down. No. I don't think it is true. Guard! Guard! Guard!
That's my word.
Did anyone fight in the palace today?
Nobody, my queen.
Call me Okoro.
All right, no.
No, did you see Okoro fighting?
Let him come.
You sent for me, my queen.
Yes, I did. What happened in the palace today?
Palace.
What did you tell me when I saw you outside the palace today?
I told him I was denied food because I fought in the palace.
Who did you fight with?
The truth is that I did not fight with anyone. Yes, I didn't fight with anyone, but I was denied food, so I went outside in search of food. I'm sorry, my queen.
Get out.
Thank you, my queen.
So what is happening?
Calm down. I'm going to solve that issue. Please, just calm down, okay? It will never happen again. I hope you're happy now.
You have to put things right in the palace. This is not the time for fighting and quarreling.
Of course, sure I will. I will.
Okoro, what is the meaning of this? Why did you call me out here?
Clara, why are you doing this? Why are you breaking me into pieces? What is wrong? What wrong have I done to you?
No, you listen to me. If the reason you called me out here is to repeat the same nonsense you've been telling me, I am not interested. And let me tell you, the arrival of the Prince of Fumuago Kingdom is at the corner. And I wouldn't want you to stand in my way.
Listen, Clara, I will resign if you continue to treat me this way.
What are you waiting for? No, what are you waiting for? You better do. Because I will never, ever accept your proposal. Read my lips. I will never accept your proposal. For your information, I belong to someone else. And that person is the Prince of Fumuago Kingdom. The better you know this, the better for you. And let me warn you, the next time you call me out here and repeat this rubbish, I will embarrass you. I will deal with you to the extent that you hate yourself. Rubbish. Is marriage by force? Why are you disturbing me? Okoro, stay away from me. Stay clear from me. I don't belong to you. I belong to someone else.
Okoro want to honey marry baby, make her me wife oh, but it no easy oh. It no easy woman we go love.
They didn't tell me when they were going to the market. But you know what? I don't care. What will be, will be.
It's not about going to the market now. It's not about rushing to the market. No. Don't worry.
Like I said, I don't care. The gods have already known who the prince will choose. Let them continue what they are doing. It's none of my business.
We don't even know if he's married or not.
I tell you, what if Prince comes back with a white lady at the end of the day?
Anya blaze only kenu now. Or when you also, who arrest?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, nobody will dress more than me that day. That day, Nkuchi Mako. You see that market they went to? They will not see my leg.
So even you are fighting.
Are you not preparing for it?
I am, in a cool way. Please, I remember I was going somewhere before. Yes.
Uche, please don't tell Lolo about it. I believe he will return soon.
Uche, don't mind how. Go inside and tell Lolo that he left since morning and has not returned.
Chizzy, if you ask me, I think letting Lolo know about this is like one of the best ideas right now. What if something has happened to him?
And then the thing will land on my head.
Exactly, get?
Oh, if
I believe we should give him some time. He might come back soon. I strongly believe he will come back.
Look at the time. And you're saying we should give him some time. How possible could that be? Me, I don't want any trouble. So what are we going to do now?
I don't know. But we should just give him some time, seriously.
And what is going on here? Uche, what is going on here?
Okoro left the palace since morning
Since morning.
and has not returned.
And he didn't tell you where he was going to.
No, my princess.
Okay.
Are you sure this guy has not resigned?
Resign? How?
No, Clara, I disagree with you. What are you saying?
Come, Clara. Did he tell you anything?
Yes. Yes, he did. He said to me that if I turn down his offer, he's going to resign. But I don't know if he has resigned. Oh. I don't know.
Clara! Why are you this heartless?
Yeah, cheesy. Respect your old age. You are the one that is heartless.
Hey, it's enough.
You are the one that is
I said
heartless.
it's enough. Don't start.
But it's all her fault.
Sure. I don't want to hear anyone's voice again. Just get out.
Out! He said all of you get out.
Including
all of you get out.
I not all of
Obi,
you.
Oya, get out.
Including
You get out. You go. You get out. Even you get out, Obi. You, which? Oh, sorry. Get out. Get out. Clara, get out.
What are you saying?
Sorry. I was chasing you. Get out.
Frustrated mood. Hi, Mama.
My prince. The prince of Umago Kingdom. You are blessed. May the gods of our land bless you. You are welcome, my dear.
Oh, look at you, man. You're looking good.
Thank you.
Oh,
You too.
that's my beautiful sister.
Brother of mine. You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Mhm.
Thank you, bad.
You're welcome, my dear.
Oh no, you're surprised to see me, right?
Greetings, my prince.
Obi.
Okoro, my prince.
Mother, my friend from the States too. He brought me down.
You're welcome, my son.
Jerry.
You're welcome.
Uche.
Okoro, my prince.
How you doing? Come on, shake. It's okay. Come on, get up. Get up. It's fine, okay? Come on. Be a man, alright? Stop crying. Beautiful. Sexy. Classy, Clara. You're surprised to see me, right? It's okay, it's okay. Come on, get up. It's fine. Alright? Cheesy. Cheesy. Hey, come on. It's alright. Stand, okay? I'm happy to see you. Amaka.
My prince.
It's alright. It's okay.
It's okay, my prince.
And the most sexiest to Jew.
My prince. Welcome, my prince.
I'm happy to see you guys
I'm happy
again.
to see you too.
Well, I'm happy to be back home. For real this time. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys later, okay?
Welcome home, bro.
Come on, Mom. Good to be home.
Clara, stop crying, stop crying. Clara, stop crying. Let's go, don't worry.
Hey!
Chiewela abalị wee foo n'anya m. Wee bụrụ ka m si wee lụkpọ. Chiewela abalị wee foo n'anya m.
What have I done to myself?
is wrong with you?
The queen needs you more,
Are
please.
you mad?
We all offended the prince. Please don't go anywhere, please.
Please allow me to.
Uche, please don't go anywhere.
Uche don't do anything to you
because
Mama.
Uche, don't go. He will not do anything.
Uche, we are offended anything. Please, let's come back.
What is wrong with this boy? What are we going to do now? Are you asking me? It's all your fault. Whose fault? Am I the one that asked him to be rude to the prince?
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my princess. Greetings, Okoro.
Chizzy, I want you to sit down.
Sit.
My daughter, sit down.
Come on, be free. Sit, okay? Chizzy, I know you'll be so surprised I'm asking you to sit in presence of my mother, the queen, my sister, Adaeze, Ono, and my childhood friend who came back from the States with me.
Yes, my friend.
Listen, Chizzy, I want you to see me as Okoro you've known back those days. That same Okoro you are always free with. You see, Chizzy, you gave me food when I was hungry. You gave me love. You gave me care. You were there for me when everyone rejected me and turned me down. You even took my pains when you never knew I am the prince of Umuago Kingdom. I want you to still see me as that same Okoro. There is an adage that says, one good turn deserves another. Chizzy, I want to say thank you. I want to appreciate you for all you did for me back then. Give me your hands. Come on. Come on. Chizzy, I want you to be the mother of my kids. I want you to be the next queen of Umuago Kingdom. I want you by my side when I ascend the throne of my fathers. And that's why I'm asking you now to marry me, Chizzy.
Say yes.
Grandma. Yes, okay. I have to go back to the palace now. I only came to check on you. Please. Take good care of yourself for me.
Okay.
You know you are the only person I have in this whole wide world.
Thank you, my daughter. It shall be well with you.
Amen.
Always be careful. And one more thing. Do not be part of the selected maids for Umuago Kingdom as a prince's wife. Because you are related to the royal family. Your great-grandfather was related to his father, his great-grandfather. So, even the Lolo does not know about that.
Both the elders and the kindreds know about it.
Okay, Grandma. Grandma, it's okay. I've heard you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Grandma. I love you so much.
Jesus Christ. What? Mother!
What?
Chizzy!
True love is hard to find you, hard to find you. But when you see a Okoro want to honey marry baby, make her me wife.